Mr. Mobile. Hi. Oh, look at you. Look at you. Let's see if you'll follow me. Come this way. Come this way, Sammy. Where are you gonna go? Oh, did you find a little tiny microscopic crumb? Sammy, what'd you find? Thank you. Oh, a piece of plastic. Oh dear. Come here, Sammy. Sam, come here. Hi there, handsome. Come on. Why don't you get your knees under you? Hi, handsome. Oh, you're the most beautiful baby in the world. Oh, you found the camera strap. Oh, distraction. And off he goes. Under the table.